Sidra news from the official platform, and what is it? We're going to find out in today's video and how to maximize and make use of the recent updates. Can you guess what it is? From the official X handle, it says we invite our Sidra family to download and try our new SidraChain app. The link is given there, and they said regarding their app in the Apple Store, we are still waiting for approval. So those of you who are mining on iOS devices, you are not able to mine using the app. You still have to wait. More updates will of course follow on that, but for people who have Android devices, you can download the app and start mining. It has a different outlook, and I'm going to explain every single feature to you. So you can click the link in the description box if you're an Android user, and you will be able to download it. And for those of you who are also on iOS, make sure to watch this video so you get how to use the app and understand all its features, so that once it is approved, you'll be able to understand everything at your fingertips. Once you download the app, make sure to click on open. Click on login with KYC port and log in with your KYC port account the normal way you do. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bells so you don't miss out new videos when they come out on the channel. Like the video and give us your questions in the comment section or on the Telegram channel under leave us a comment. We'll greatly appreciate. Let's continue. First of all, there are some issues on the SidraChain app. So as you'd expect, there are some bugs, and they have said that they're going to try to fix it, some of which include your app is going to be a bit shorter than what you can see, and when trying to log in with KYC ports, it won't show you the keyboard in which you will type your details and log in. So those are some of the issues, and you can always report it to them via their official handle. Now, the first thing first is going to explain the major things you can see firstly when you open your app. Now, what you would see is your country, you would see your username, and you see your name along with your profile picture. Then you would see your QR code, see the amount of referrals that you have, see what stage you are at the verification, which if you still need to P2P verification, then you're good to go. Then you can see the amount of Sidra tokens you have mined, and you can see your timer. Or if you want to mine, you will see something like this, which is claim coins. So whichever it is good, and once you click on claim coins, it will start the 24-hour mining. Under Sidra tasks and activities, you can see P2P verification, price calculation, exchange validation token to Sidra coin, and you can see the others are cancelled. So these are the remaining 3 to be done. So you can switch between activities and Sidra tasks. Sidra tasks is for them to do. Then under you can see home and you can see cards. So click on cards. Once you click on cards, you will see your name over here, and you will see SidraChain QR code for the card. So the card is based on the wallet, how many wallets you have created. So I did a video on how to create wallets some time ago, but you can do it with this new app using this plus sign. As you can see, create new wallet recommended. If you click there, it will create a new wallet for you. But if you go over to wallet, that's the third side, you would see Sidra token, referral token. If you referred any people, you see the referral token there, SUSD, which is Sidra USD token, and SQAR. Of course, they will explain this more, but you can also see the activities if you were to send to anybody. But for now, you cannot send. Why you cannot send, I'm going to explain. Is because you don't have the Sidra tokens yet, but if you did, you'd be able to send. And this over here is the swap, but you cannot swap until you're fully KYC verified. This is the send, and for now this doesn't work, the one in the middle. but the more that they continue to develop, the more we'll understand what they are planning. And if you want to edit your card, you can click on it and then change the name of your card. That is basically the full features, apart from you clicking on the power button at the top, which is to log out of your account, and this is where you can edit your profile right next to it on the right. That's all for this video. Till next time.